Here we have my faulty Saeco Vienna Superautomatica coffee machine. Perfectly dispensing hot water from the frother, but when pressing for a coffee we get the grind noise, we get dry coffee dispensed eventually into the hopper, but when we should get a swish of water we get nothing. So as well as I can, I've checked the valve and can't see any problem with it. It seems to be on a spring, and I've checked the filter in the brew group, cleaned that, still absolutely no water at all coming through. There's no obstruction here. I've got no idea what the problem is. Any clues would be gratefully received. Thank you.